sir, CEO JEF Dr. JN Gupta sir, and Director Jimsi Kanpur SP Tripathi sir, and chief guests, please to come up on stage. I would like to call upon stage the winner of the Nukkar Natak, Jimsi Noida. Please come up on stage. Jimsi Noida stood first in Nukkar Natak. So everyone please give it up for them. Now I would like to call upon stage the winner of dance group Kashika, Prerna, Rajat, Amiten and Achal from Jimsi Kanpur. Now I would like to call upon stage the winner of singing duet Ayush Srivastav and Mohit Malundra from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Now I would like to request JN Gupta sir to present the memento to our chief guest. Coordinators, please assist. Now I would like to request Chairman Shivayan Gupta sir to present the gift to sir. Coordinator, please assist. Thank you, sir. Also our creative tendencies and cultivate into something great which stays with you for the lifetime. So now it's time we give due recognition to the aptitude and acumen of our brimming students future leaders of society. It's time for the prize distribution ceremony. So I would like to call upon stage Director Sri S.P. Tripathi sir, Director Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce Dr. M.P. Gupta sir, Director JIDA Mr. Atiq Ahmed sir. Please come up on stage for prize distribution ceremony. So now we'll begin with the winners of poster competition. So the third position has been secured by Aishwarya from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Second position has been secured by Prakhar, Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. And first prize has been also secured by Arindam, Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. All the winners, please come quickly to the stage.
तो बजाऊंगी मन
Now I would like to call upon stage the winners of debate English. Parthi, third. She secured the third position from Noida. Niharika, second from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. And the first position has been secured by Anubha Pandey from Noida. Now I would like to call upon stage the winner of debate Hindi. Raghav Shukla secured the third position from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Jyoti secured the second position from Jagran Institute of Management and Mass Communication, Kanpur. And Mohammad Danish secured the first position from Jyoti Roy. Winners, please quickly come up on the stage. Now I would like to call upon stage the winner of Rangoli competition. So the third position has been secured by Karthik and Falguni from Kimchi, Kanpur. Winners, please come fast. Second position has been secured by Prerna Sharma and Anamika Porwal from Kimchi, Kanpur. by Divya Pandey and Nandita Bajpai from Jimsi Kanpur. Now I would like to call upon stage the winners of group discussion. Nandita Bajpai, Adarsh and Krishna stood third from Jimsi Kanpur. Nandita, Adarsh, Krishna, please come up on stage. So the second position has been secured by Arushi, Sakshi Bhavnani and Sakshi Tiwari from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. First position has been secured by Anamika, Pragati Chaurasia and Jyoti from Jimsi Kanpur. So now moving on the next event, Spell Bee. So Spell Bee Hindi, there is no third position, there is only first and second. So the second position has been secured by Avantika from Jimsi Kanpur. First position has been secured by Shashwat from Jimsi Kanpur.
अब नहीं है सब्जी ऐसे बोलना नहीं कुछ नहीं है हम
Moving on to Spell Bee English, there are two second positions. Cheshta Verma stood second from Jimsi Kanpur. Ayushma Singh also stood second from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. And first position has been secured by Niharika from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. So moving on to quiz. The third position has been secured by Raghuvar Jha and Nitesh Jha from Jimsi Noida.
मैंने की कर ली ये वाली भी कर लूँगी
Both the stages many
So the second position has been secured by Avantika and Saurabh from Jimsi Kanpur.
ट्रॉफी में
First position has been secured by Prakhar Yadav and Bigran from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce.
ये और चिकन ट्रॉफी सौरभ सौरभ को देखो नहीं दूंगी उसको
So moving on to the winners of Nukkad, there are two teams at third position. Achal, Pragati, Divya, Himanshu, Diksha, Shashikanti, Akshat, Animesh, Dhairya and Nandita stood third from Jimsi Kanpur.
किसमें पक्का पक्का अगर हम सेकेंड में मौके से मिल फिंगर्स क्रॉस सेकेंड है शायद से फिंगर्स क्रॉस सचिन कूदो चिल्ला देना बस
Second team for third position, Chandni, Sachin, Ashutosh, Tripti, Divyanshi, Tanya, Ashish, Shubham, Roshni, Jaya, Akash from Jagran Institute of Management.
थर्ड में दो लोग को मिला है
इन लोगों ने तो इन लोगों को बताया कि वो
थर्ड है रुक जाओ अगर मुझे तो सही में नहीं छोड़ नहीं चाहिए
Second position has been secured by Amit Kumar, Dhiren, Samrat, Ashraf, Shivam, Radha, Jigyasa, Shivangi and Vishal from the team from CSJMU. Everyone please give it up for the winners. And as you all know, the first position was already secured by Noida. The second position has been secured by Falguni Anamika Ashwani from Jimsi Kanpur. Ashwani, तुमको प्लीज बैठी जाओ। And the first position has been secured by Govind Bajpai, Prajwal Avasthi, Swalpi Bajpai from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Now moving on to the results of dance solo. Third position has been secured by Gaurav Verma from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करो। And the first position is secured by Garima Arora from Jamshedpur. So moving on to the results of dance group. The first position has been secured by Karanveer, Apurva and Visva. Second position has been secured by Ritik, Shriyam, Palak and Saurabh. And fourth position is also secured by Rinsi Kanpur, as we all know. So now moving on to the results of singing. Solo, Mohit Malhotra stood third from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce.
हिमांशु
Manas Arora stood second from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Ayush Srivastava stood first from Jagran कर लो भाई, आज तुम्हारा दिन। So moving on to the results of singing duet. Tanya Srivastava and others from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. by Cheshta Verma from Jagran Institute of अब अपना टाइम आएगा. So the first position has been secured by Mrinalini Sharma from So now the results of Poetry English. Third position has been secured by Cheshta Verma, Jimsi. Second position has been secured by Ayushma Singh, Jagran College of Arts, Science and And first position has been secured by Niharika Shukla, Jagran College of Arts यार अपना भी आएगा, फिक्र मत करो, आता जाता रहता है, जाएगा रुको तो. Now moving on, TV reporting. The third position has been secured by Payal and Harshita from Jimsi Kanpur. There is another team for the third position, Amitabh Rai and Ayush Singh from Jimsi Noida. The second position has been secured by Himanshu Singh Chandel, Jimsi Kanpur. So the first position has been secured by Vikram Singh, Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Okay, Vikram is absent. So moving on to the results of ad making. Pratika Kamal and Parth Madam from Jimsi Kanpur stood third. has been secured by Jimsi Noida, Kritang Chaudhary and Neetu Malik. Jimsi Kanpur, be ready. So, the winner of short film, Risika Lakshya from Jimsi गाइस ताली मत रोको यार So this was all about the event. So now I would like to call upon the students from Divyang community for national anthem.
For your love, support and presence. I would like to thank all the students from the Divyang Society for conducting this super duper national anthem. I would like to thank this sir for your support and for inspiring us for such presentation. Thank you so much, sir. A very special thanks to our esteemed panel of judges and congratulations and thank you to all the distinguished participants for making this event a memorable one. Hope you all had a good time, and a special thanks to Jimsi Noida team who had made all the way to Kanpur. Most importantly, my special thanks to entire Jimsi team for their support, dedication, teamwork and untiring efforts. We are fortunate enough to be backed by the team of very motivated and dedicated student volunteers. So I would especially thank to all the student coordinators for taking Udghosh to a new height. Your experience and commitment are and will always remain the main factor that really push us to do more for this wonderful institution. I really thank from bottom of my heart to all the students. Special thanks to our sponsor Namaste India and Raj Kamal's media partner INX Dainik Jagran and radio partner 104.8 Radio City. I would like to request everyone now, Jimsi team and Jimsi Noida team, you can go and have your lunch. Sorry for the delay and thank you very much for your presence. Thank you.